Car accident liar. Hello guys, welcome to Info Growth YouTube channel. In this video we learn about car accident liar. So this is a best website. Florida car accident liar. When you have been in a car accident in Florida, you may be facing severe pain, surfing, missed work, and overwhelming medical expenses. It's not right for you to be stuck paying the bill for something else. Mistake we have office and several injury victims throughout the state. Our Florida in car accident. Lawyers can also meet you where you are to help you pursuing financial demand from those who carelessly cause you harm. You can also fill a form, fill case review, develop content when you have been injured because of someone else carelessness. Is you deserve financial compensation for the physical, emotional, and financial harm you have suffered. We have understand how devastating car accident injury can be, and we can help you get through this. Call our current and called Florida car accident attorneys today at this is our phone number 133 998 for a free consultation. Why should you trust Farah and Farah to handle your Florida car accident claim? So now we are going to giving the answer of your question. We are a family-centered law firm that you can give you the individual attention you need. Yet we are large enough to go up against big corporations and insurance the companies and win for our client to might otherwise have been denied company attention. We have protect families since 90s 79, and our experience makes all difference in what we can do to help you. So now we are going to scroll this. Our Florida location, Daytona Beach, FT Mars, and Jackson's Beach, Melbourne, Middleburg, Orange Park, Ocala, St. Augustine, Tampa. Now we can read this. We care about all people in the communities where we live and work. Notable result. This is a notable result. I think this is not an ad. So our Florida car accident result, protecting more and more families. This is, I think, terms and condition. What our client say about our Florida car accident liars. So we are more scrolling, dismounting, and more beach. This is an agent. Our office location and communities we serve in Florida. West Central Florida, Northern Florida, and all on accident lawyer car in USA, UK, and many more countries. But more important information but of the US and UK country. So that was today, guys. If you are new on Infogrowth YouTube channel, so please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.